Hi everyone, Greg Davis at MarineMax in Savannah. Wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of a new AR210 from Yamaha. This is their space blue model for 2020. Start with the back deck. Great access in and out of the water, great for families. Table mount here. Great seating, comes with the sea deck. Moving forward, you can see this one has the tow arch with the integrated bimini. The bench seat in the back, and a single captain helm seat. There's great seating in this boat. Another table mount there for in the cockpit. This year they've gone with a different setup on the stereo. They're using the Infinity stereo this year. Kind of redid the dash, looks really nice. A huge ski locker, the snap-in flooring. Great seating up front, plenty of seating for everyone. You can see the speakers. This one does have an anchor locker built in with the beach boarding ladder. Really nice feature. Great for water sports. Performance on this boat is really neat. Good layout and great riding boat. If you'd like more information on this model or any model, you can call us here in Savannah, area code 912-897-9881. Thanks and have a great day.